Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the specific Google form and navigating straight to the date question you want to change. Click the date field so its settings panel appears on the right. Make sure you are signed in with owner or editor permissions, otherwise you cannot change locale or question options. Once the date question is selected, look for the three-dot menu or the fields options where the date format controls and locale settings will be accessible. Next, change the form's locale, which governs default date formatting. Go to Settings, then General or the form's main menu to set locale to your target country. This shifts default date order. Then, return to the date question and check its format dropdown. Some forms let you pick year first or day first. Make your selection and preview the form to confirm the displayed placeholder and calendar order match your intent before saving or sharing the form link. Finally, save your changes and immediately preview the form to test how the date picker and placeholder appear for respondents. If you don't see the new format, refresh, clear the cache, or open the form in an incognito window to bypass cached locale data. Make sure respondent's device or browser locale isn't overriding display. Explain required format in the question text if needed. One quick troubleshooting tip: changing the form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.